Y'all, so I'm at this cell phone store, right? This is where I get my phones. They have all of these incredible oils. They treat me crazy though, but I just want to shout them out. You like body oil, Baccarat, Delina, Dior, Prada. They have it all here. But they be currying me, y'all. They have cell phones, cases, they have headphones, they have everything. Everything. They got everything. And right now, they gonna refill me. And this my buddy right here. Look, he wanna treat me good because he know I'm a star. Look, he wanna treat me good because he know I'm a star. Huh? Say hi. Hey y'all, I'm back again with another banger. We just arrived to the beach. We're about to go relax and just chill. And then we probably grab a bite to eat and just enjoy the town. Meanwhile, yeah. So with another banger. So today I just came out to the beach just to be out. You know, sometimes the beach remind you of who you truly are. Like when you look at the beach, there's no ending. Like there's really no ending. It's like eternal. So it's very spiritual. So yeah, y'all, I just wanted to share that with you guys. Right now they have like little dogs and things like that out, but it's really nice. This is really a nice beach, really nice. I have a little picnic, little vibe going with the people, child. And I have to go back over here. So guys, it's beach day. Always treat yourself. Sometimes coming to the beach just help you rationalize. Like again, I mentioned earlier, look how the beach waves, they don't stop coming, they just keep going, and then there's like no ending. Y'all, this is what your girl doing. I'm trying to my Osmo Pocket 3 acting real stink on me. It won't let me. It ain't. So yeah, y'all, this is just perfect day out. It's not too hot. It feels really, really good. A little swimsuit action. I don't know if y'all can see it. I'm trying to. And I'm gonna let y'all get into the tea. But yeah. Hi, y'all. These are my friends. Say be you anyway.
Be you anyway.
Yes, that's my channel. High five, girls. I said, go ahead, y'all come on. They're so beautiful. here at Krabby Dick's, and we're at Krabby Dick's, and I can't wait to try the food. I'm super excited about it. Y'all see the Cardis. Ooh, and the diamonds is dancing. Wait a minute.
Listen.
But okay.
We trying
so
to see what the food
stop. I'm on my channel.
Alright, do your thing.
But this is my sister. This is my sister. Hi, sister. She's gonna make sure we're good tonight.
Yes.
They gave us popcorn already. Like I went to the bathroom and the restroom or whatever, and the popcorn is there. The popcorn, y'all. The popcorn here at Krabby Dick's. They give you that on a complimentary. Is like so to die for, y'all. Like, I'm at all right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up because I just want to enjoy the moment. Although I know you YouTubers would love to see everything, but y'all, I gotta have this moment to myself. Okay, y'all, so the food, we got wings. They are so good. We had fries. And y'all, I don't want to mess my camera up.
No.
But we have this. This right here. You tell me. You tell me what you think. And I'm done. I'm about to get into this. Look. I'm about to get into this, y'all. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. I'm sorry. I'm about to get into this. So, guys, it's been a day, honestly, and I'm super exhausted. My boo is sitting right here with all this energy. I'm super exhausted. It's been such a great day. The food was amazing. Honestly, just wanted to like enjoy the food and have some time with the people, you know, because we don't really get as much time as we used to. Like, so I really want to just hone in on that. Like, and for girlies who like in relationships or dealing with somebody, like, you know, sometimes you have to separate yourself from yourself for someone else. And it's not to take anything away from you because we all selfless. But again, I just feel like it's good to separate yourself from yourself to provide that extra like need for your person. And that's what we did today. And I'm super just thrilled and excited. Just on like how we just like he woke me up this morning. Honestly, I was sleeping. I'd rather slept in the bed all day, but he woke me up this morning. Was like just like off the humble with no designation, no plan, no anything. And this is what we do. We're very spontaneous. This is what happens. So any girlies who's dealing with somebody, like, choose somebody that choose you. And even though we're not perfect, nothing is perfect about me and my people, but choose somebody that choose you and choose what you're happy with. And also be okay with sometimes sitting back and choosing them before you choose yourself. And that's it. That's the message. See y'all girlies later. It's a great night, great spot. Talk to y'all later.